Hi, Lauren Weyerman here, creator of Wildflowers Nails, to show you how to use our amazing CatEye gels. Now, we have 6 colors that come in the set, and I'm just going to cover the basics quickly here. I'm applying a gel polish. The darker, the better, but you can have fun doing some bright stuff. So I started with some Creative Play gel polish. I'm swiping the CatEye polish over. Be generous with it. And then you want to grab the magnet. Now the magnet does come in the set, and this is just the basic look. Hold that over, and there you go. Basic, right? Cure that if you like it, put a top coat on, you're done. If you screw it up or you need to reset it and you haven't cured it, just swipe over. Now with the rounded side of the magnet, we're going to make an S shape. So what you do is just come in on the top right, bottom right, and the middle left, just like that. If you like it, cure it. If not, and you're having fun playing, swipe right over top of it again. We're not adding more product, we're just swiping. The world's fastest ombre. All you do is hold that magnet on its side and press towards it. I'm going to reset here. Now with the round one, we like to call this Death Becomes Her because, I don't know if you've seen the movie, but she gets shot in the stomach, and it's kind of funny because she has a giant hole. From here, we can turn this into sort of a star type of pattern or kind of a sun. I don't know, but it's cool. So that's how you do it. Just come in from all sides with that rounded magnet. Again, resetting here. And this is my favorite. So you wave the magnet over like you're confused. And then you grab the Wildflowers ombre brush. And you want to make sure that your bristles are pretty well spread apart. And you want to just with the tip swipe down through the uncured CatEye polish. Is that the coolest or what? I love doing this. Imagine swiping different colors of this product on there. Like you could put 2 or 3 different color CatEyes, wave the wand, drag through it. I like this. I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds, and then you're going to want to apply the Wildflowers top coat gel to finish this look off. So hopefully you learned something today about our CatEye gels. I know it was kind of quick, but have fun playing with them. You can find this product by going to our website, www.wildflowersnails.com. I hope you'll try it. Make sure you tag us if you do. Now, if you are ready to dive headfirst into everything nail art, and I'm talking headfirst, I want you to consider coming to our Master Artist Week at our headquarters in Southwest Florida. It's beautiful here. We hold our class 2 times a year. It's a full week in length. You will have the time of your life. You'll be creating 48 different nail styles by hand. You're making them. I'm teaching. You're making. It's going to be awesome. We provide you with all the materials. We just ask that you bring your brushes to class. So consider coming to our next Master Artist Week. It will completely change your career. You will be completely loaded with nail art designs, and it's a hands-on workshop, so you'll make new friends and have the time of your life. Master Artist Week is comprised of all 8 of our Master Artist Series classes. You can shop online anytime and sign up for class at wildflowersnails.com. Subscribe for a tutorial every Thursday. Thanks for joining me today. Again, Lauren from Wildflowers Nail Academy.